Thanks for tuning in to another video by CCTV Camera World, experts in security camera systems. You can find us at cctvcameraworld.com. The purpose of this video is to show you how great this Avalonix Premium Series NVR is. It is an ONVIF compliant NVR that works with PoE and IP cameras of different brands. ONVIF compliance allows this NVR to hook up to any other IP or PoE camera that offers the ONVIF driver on it. This is a PoE NVR, so it has 4 PoE ports built in. In this case, we've got other versions as well that go up to 32 channels with 16 PoE ports in the back. Here is the power supply connection that it comes with an external power brick. PoE ports in the back, LAN connection going back to the router that you've got, a VGA connection here for an older monitor, HDMI for monitor or TV, and a mouse connection with USB. So this is a standalone NVR. If you hook up cameras to it, they can work without having internet access. So a lot of customers contact us asking whether we have an NVR that'll work with their brand of cameras that they got elsewhere. And so, for example, we get a lot of callers calling in asking for an NVR that'll work with older Q-See cameras, either the letter Q, letter C, which is actually going to be plug and play compatible with this NVR, or the letter Q, letter T, so the QT series NVRs. Unfortunately, after Q-See went out of business, a lot of their NVR stopped working, their apps started working, and this NVR series is a solution to that problem. So you can use it with both the Q-See and the QT series Q-See products. To show you how easy it is to connect a camera to this NVR, I have another brand of camera called the Security Cameras Inc. It's one of the brands we carry, and I'm going to show you what's entailed in connecting the two together. So I have this camera already ready to demo, so I'm going to connect the Ethernet connection. So this is a PoE camera. It has an Ethernet jack on it with a 12-volt power. I'm not going to be using the 12-volt power, not needed. I'm going to take this purple cable and plug it into my NVR right here into the first port. Now that I've connected my camera into one of the PoE ports, after about a minute or two, I walk over to the NVR, and with the mouse and the help of a monitor connected to the NVR, I'm able to see that, hey, there's a screen here in the camera quadrant number 1 telling me something about, a password. Please enter the password, it says. All right, so all you have to do is enter the correct password for your camera. This NVR automatically detected the camera that I connected to port 1 on the PoE ports, and it's asking me for the correct password. Now, all I need to do really is click here and put in the correct password. So if you've got a letter Q, letter T series cameras from Q-See, the password is 123456. For this camera, it's a little bit different. I put my own password on there. So if you have your own custom password on your cameras, you want to put that one in. Once you do that and you hit this little button, it'll connect. It's going to ask you to draw this pattern. This is your admin password on the NVR. That's how we set it when we ship it out. And then here I go. I got my camera connected, waving my hand in front of it, started working. So all it needed was the correct password to be able to log into the NVR. And once that's done, it'll remember that password. The NVR will be able to reconnect. So if you've got a letter Q, letter T series camera from Q-See, password's going to be 123456. If you've got a letter Q, letter C series, it's an older camera from, let's say, prior to 2019. Most likely the password is just admin. The other place where you can see what's going on with your NVR is you right-click and go to main menu. And then you go to remote device. This is called the camera list. You can also come in here and make channel entries or camera entries and edit the passwords here. So if I left-click here, I can put the correct password in here. So I'm going to right now put an incorrect password on purpose and hit OK, and the status becomes red. And if I exit out, it tells me again, put the correct password. So I could put it here, or I could do right-click, main menu, go to remote device, go to this device list, click on the edit, left edit here, left-click there, I meant. So here, left-click, put in the correct password. So I'm going to erase the old password, put in your correct password that you think your camera has. Hit OK. You can wait for this to turn the status to green. Right-click, exit out, And there you go. You got your camera video there. That's all you got to do to connect your cameras, either they be from Q-See, Lorex, Hanwha, any other brand. This NVR is able to connect to them pretty easily, thanks to the ONVIF compliance it offers. So if you're looking for a great ONVIF compliant NVR, be sure to check out the NVR044KAI model at cctvcameraworld.com. Thanks for watching.
If you're watching on YouTube, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.